It's me again, and I'm traumatized by family drama. Hello, and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Your favorite cousin is back, and you will not believe what has been going on in my life. I need a drink to tell it, and fortunately, I have a brand new box of Franzia Merlot. I call this little baby strictly Ballroom, which is my own personal joke, which you'll get in just a minute. To make it, all you do is add 1 ounce of brandy, 1/2 ounce acai liqueur, and 1/4 ounce fresh lime juice to a wine glass with ice cubes. Fill with Franzia Merlot, or some other wine if you like that. So anyway, here's what happened. Just when I decided to take a break from the dating scene, I won 4 ballroom dance lessons in the raffle at the Lions Club pancake breakfast. Figures I'd win that, not the trip to Atlantic City. Anyway, I didn't have any good men to choose from, so Ms. Velveteen suggested I ask my daddy. I was like, yeah, right, no way. But it got back to him and he got all excited and I didn't have the heart to tell him no. Of course, my stepmommy Pearl called me and threw a fit. Turns out he never takes her anywhere, and now here he is going out dancing without her. So anyway, we have our first cha-cha lesson next week if she doesn't break both of his legs. So I'm gonna put on my mama boogie shoes and learn a new skill with my daddy, who frankly sounds like kind of a bad date, but that's Pearl's problem. Thanks for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen and blah, blah, blah. And I'll be back next week to let you know what happened. Wish me luck, I'm gonna need it.